Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel on Easy Chinese. This video is about writing of Chinese characters. As you know, English words consist of letters and Chinese characters consist of strokes. In another word, strokes to Chinese characters, just like letters to English words. There are 26 English letters, and here we have 37 regularly used Chinese strokes. But I say that Chinese strokes are much easier than English letters. Let me tell you like this. Each single letter has a specific pronunciation matched. For example, O. You cannot pronounce Q or A, but Chinese strokes, whatever you like to call them. For example, this, I say, left side folding stroke. You can say slash, and this stroke, I say uprising stroke. You say slash 2.0 version. Okay, no problem, it's fine. Whatever you like to call them. And on the other hand, Chinese strokes are natural human writing. Let me give you an example. Watch these strokes and take this character as an example. You can say this character consists of this stroke here and this stroke here and this stroke here and this stroke here. But as long as you involve in Chinese, you will naturally find out right like this way. It's the most comfortable way, and you will automatically turn to this way. So I say you don't even need to deliberately memorize all these strokes. If you ask any native Chinese, do you draw 37 strokes? They don't. They don't complete them all. But you still need to practice them all. I think probably 2 or 3 times at a time. 2 times a day. 3 or 4 days later, you will be good at them all. At the moment, you will not feel strange, confused, or even uncomfortable at seeing such character with this complicated structure. You will say, hey, I recognize it, but I don't know its meaning. Well, it's fine, fantastic. You look at this kind of Chinese characters just like old friends reunited together after years parting. But you don't know what happened to them during these parting years. You have to sit and talk one another. Okay, have a pen and a piece of paper. Let me pilot you to the gateway of the Chinese language. I'm ready. The first one, we say dot. Dot, a short stroke instead of a point. Okay, dot is divided into left side dot and right side dot. And next one is horizontal stroke. Next one, horizontal with a hook, sharp end, hook. And next, horizontal with the vertical. Horizontal and vertical stroke. Next, horizontal, vertical, and the left side hook. Left side hook. You can group these 3 together. Okay, next, horizontal, vertical, and the right side hook. Next, horizontal, vertical, and the right side bend. Next, horizontal, vertical, right side bend, and with a hook. And next, horizontal, right side folding with a hook. Okay, you can group these 4 together. If you mix them, okay, no problem. Okay, next, horizontal, left side folding, and next, horizontal, bend, and the left side folding. Next, horizontal, bend, left side folding with a hook. And next, horizontal, bend, left side folding with a hook. Okay, you can group these 4 together. If you mix them, no problem. No problem. You will automatically straight your way as long as you continue your process of study. Okay, next. Vertical. Vertical, vertical. And next, vertical with the left side hook. And next, vertical with the right side hook. And next, vertical with the right side bend. Next, vertical with the right side bend and the hook. You can group these 3 together. And next, vertical right side bend, left side bend. Next, vertical right side bend, left side bend, hook. You can group these 2. Okay, next. Left side folding. Left side folding. And uprising stroke. And left side folding with a hook. Next, left side folding and right side folding. Next, left side folding, right side bend. You can group these 2. Okay. Next, the final 2. Right side folding and right side folding with a hook. You mix them. Do you? Be a serious self-teaching guy. Will you mix them? Okay, that's all for this 37 regularly used Chinese strokes. Just start to practice them 2 or 3 times at a time. 2 times a day, 3 or 4 days later, you will completely good at them all. And I think it will probably cost you totally less than half an hour. Okay, that's all for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel to have new updated videos. See you next time.